We know kit bashing isn't for everybody, so here are a couple of out-of-the-box options for Armored Core-like weapons. First up is the MSG weapon set Multi-Caliber, which has a rifle that's fairly similar to the Scudder, Ludlow, and Turner. There's also this machine pistol, which with a little work could be made into the burst handgun that V4 Rusty uses, and the set also comes with these two drum mags. However, like most MSG weapons, they don't fit in high-grade hands outright, so you're gonna have to sand down the handles a little bit to get them to fit. We know rifles aren't too useful right now, so here are some other options that we love using in story mode and PvP. Sometimes we roll dual Gatling since we love the heavy arms here. And thankfully Kotobukiya has an MSG weapon set for it. It's a little on the small side and doesn't have an ammo belt, still needs to be sanded down to fit though. Or you can use the other handle to have it underslung like this. One of our more popular options is the 30-minute missions Gatling unit. Right out of the box, I can see that this would be really useful for linear rifles or even the pistols. It also comes with an optional barrel and a banana mag for maybe the Ransetsu. But let's look at the Gatling unit itself. We tried to make it as close to the in-game model as possible, and it's really nice that this comes with a flexible ammo belt. It's pretty impressive how much you get for less than $12, and the MSG one isn't too bad for $7. This video brought to you by the Dafong Tester AC. Thanks for watching!